strawberries and vodka. I'm hearing voices and I'm smelling marijuana. I saw her earring in a purse, her blouse and a skirt. This motherfucker about to get hurt. Go in the room, she on top, a real tired bitch. How the fuck she all in my house getting my dick? You ain't love her, you don't want her, she fucked your nigga around.